magaganda ko na classmate.
Ga-vlog siya.
Huwag ang buwang si Justin niyo. Picture na din daw.
So good guys, adi po kami sa malawak na eskwelahan sa MC. Very beautiful na. Sobra. Adi po. Makadi po kami sa Nagasaraya.
I'm trying to realize it's alright to not be fine on your own. Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination. There's one thing that I know. Come to
I would like to introduce my YouTube channel, Mr. Tony Anong Ganap. For now, I'm done for final examination.
Sabi mo na, yan makulimliman at daw susukit.
Patugat ay Rainy D. Naglalakad pa uwi kami kasama with my together friends. Pachak!
Pinonyes na po, napuging-pogi.
Shoutout po sa kay
Kaway.
Franklin Yunis na pugi-pugi. And then, Eugene Domingo. Eugene Barboy pala. Today's Saturday pala ngayon.
Advances ka.
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Tomorrow is another day.
I don't know ano
Tomorrow
namang
is-
gagawin namin.
Our rest, because schedule of classes.
Schedule na. Rainy
now,
day talaga
Going
ngayon.
to Back home
Pauwi na kami, going to back home.
and walking around this distance.
Yeah, guys. Don't worry.
Mister na lang,
Sa... Sana all nakasakay. Kami naglalakad lang. Ganito ang buhay ng mga estudyante.